Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is egg and fennel salad. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is, I've got a pot full of hot water in there. We're gonna turn it on and we're gonna cover it. The reason why we use hot water and cover the pot, so the water comes quickly to the boil. As you can see, the water is already boiling. So now I'm gonna take the lid off, turn the heat a little bit down, and I've got 2 eggs, and we're gonna drop them into the water to cook for about 6 minutes. Now, while we are waiting for the eggs to cook, I've got a bowl. We're gonna fill this bowl with cold water, and I've got this lemon. We're gonna cut the lemon and squeeze the juice of the lemon into that water. This water is gonna be for the fennel, because the fennel, when we cut the fennel, we need to that the fennel retain its beautiful white color shape. So we put the fennel into the water with lemon juice. Now the fennel, we're gonna take the top off. We're gonna cut the fennel by half, like that. Now we need to take the bulb off, like that, and the other one as well. As the bulb, and we take it off. If it is too dirty, we can take the first layer off, but if it's okay, you can leave it. So that's, we take the first layer off. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice the fennel as thinly as possible. And when it's ready, I'm gonna put it into this bowl. Like I told you before, to retain that beautiful white color. As the fennel into the bowl. So, for the time being, we leave the fennel in there. Now, the orange. I've got an orange in here. We need to take the zest of the orange. Zest is the outer skin of the orange. And we put the zest into this bowl. When you grate the orange, take the zest off, cioè do your best not to take the white, because the white tastes bitter. You see, I'm only taking the skin off. That's the zest. Now, we need to take the segment of the orange. For the segments, we're gonna take the top of the orange, the bottom of the orange, and we're gonna peel. The knife like that, and peel the orange. And then we need to take the segments. I show you how we take the segments. Okay? So now the segments. There's the membrane in here. We're gonna slide the knife inside and push it outside. You see, the segment is falling off. Push the knife inside and outside. Push the knife inside and outside, always near the membrane. As the white membrane in here of the orange, take the knife inside and out. Inside and out. And the segment is falling off. There's the segment, and we need to squeeze the orange. Into that bowl. Now we're gonna clean the board and move for our next ingredient, which is the cucumber. The cucumber. We don't want to use whole, but if you want to use the whole cucumber, that's fine. Now, we take the top off, the bottom, the top off. We're gonna wash the cucumber under cold running water. Now, we're gonna cut the cucumber by half, and we need to take the seeds out. To take the seeds out, scrape with a teaspoon. Scrape the seeds with a teaspoon to remove the seeds of the cucumber. That's the seeds off. Now we need to cut the cucumber. Cut the cucumber a little bit diagonal, so you have that nice diagonal shape. That should be enough. We put the cucumber with the oranges and the zest of the orange as well. And we leave it there for the time being. Now, what we're gonna do is, at this stage, we're gonna drain the fennel. Gonna drain the fennel, and we leave it here to drain. For ingredients, method, and recipe with pictures, please do log on our page robnjays.com, or like us on our Facebook page robnjays. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, and please do share our work so other families will benefit from this project. Thank you very much for that. So now the eggs should be done by now. We're gonna switch the eggs off, and we put them under cold running water, and we leave them there to refresh. By the time the eggs is cooling down, I've got some mint in here, and we're gonna roughly chop the mint. We take the stalk out, and we're gonna roughly chop the mint. Roughly, because we need to retain the taste, all the taste. Remove the stalks. Roughly chop the mint. Smells, oops, amazing. I don't think you can get any fresher salad than this, because of the fennel, mint, oranges, cucumber. They are all refreshing ingredients. That's the mint in there. Now we're gonna peel the eggs. If the eggs are not cold, leave them to refresh more. Through my experience, I find that the more you peel the eggs in water, as you can see, I just peel a little bit and dip them back in water. They retain much more the shape. Usually, I'm not very good to retain the eggs, the shape of the egg, but this one, I succeeded. Let's try the other one. After we peel the eggs, we're gonna quarter. Yay! That's the second one. Now, we're gonna quarter the eggs, and then we put the salad together. Okay, that's the eggs. Now we put the salad together. Take a plate. Out. We're gonna mix the fennel with the orange and mint together with our fingers. We mix it up. Look at that. Beautiful. And we mix it up completely because of the orange zest, and we can plate. Whoa, look at that. Now we can put the eggs in there. Egg and fennel salad. For more videos, please click the bottom right hand button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.